Going hiking on the trail recently at the moment. We're gonna get to the waterfall in like a cool 20-ish minutes. So I'll be back. The second one, having to go over the rocks. It's pretty thick. But it's simple. I've been here plenty of times. So let's see how this goes. Take the harder route. Let's take this one. Oh my god. Guys. Wait. I made it.
Video game. Every time you walk, there's a new path. It's like a video game.
I'm gonna take the longer route.
Oh god, I don't trust that one. It's like a video game. There's always a
I did it. Whew, that should be the last one for now. Never mind, I lied. So apparently there's gonna be another one, but this one's very tiny.
Look at their doggy.
So it should be very simple, again as I said, but it's this one. So,
You can do it, doggies. Are you okay?
okay, so I messed up. I'm dry. Everything is dry. Nothing's messed up too much. But that was our last rock to go over the little puddles. Now we're just going through here. It's gonna be like another 20-ish minutes, so we should be there on time.
Pretty. I like this creek.
Okay, so there's another vlog or another vlog, but this one I'm not gonna fall. Promise me. This one's longer. So. Guys, so we made it to the waterfall. It's not as thick as I thought it was going to be today, but this is the review. Shut up. Okay, so guys, now we're going to be rock climbing since I've already finished the waterfall. But this time I'm on my own. The girls are not with me. So, unlike that, it's gonna look like this. So hopefully we can get through it. Okay, so guys, the hiking trip is now going to be done for the day.